As a quick, easy fix, the bellow lift wires were pushed too far in toward the movement. So that's the half hour. Here's the hour. The only issue I have is putting the door on. Now the newer clocks, they have newer cuckoo quail clocks, they have a single gong. This particular door has a lever, a notch in the wood, and that is for, I'm sure, one of the gongs, probably the cuckoo gong, to clear the cuckoo hammer to clear the gong itself. The only issue I have is adjusting the gongs. The easiest way, and the way I'm going to do it, and it's to each his own, is I'm going to drill a hole in the back of this door. That way I can see the access to the gong. And what one typically can do is take the bellows out, put the door on, see where the gongs are through the holes of the bellows, and possibly the hole of the access door here, but I find it's harder to adjust it that way. I'm going to do it the easy way. It's not original to the clock, but it's my clock, and I'm going to do what I want to do. So I hope you all are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.